So one issue they're having is they're having a lot of water come into the basement via higher static pressure. So in order to fix this, what we needed to do is install our FlowGuard waterproofing system. In order to install FlowGuard, we jackhammer around the perimeter of the basement, we dig down, we install perforated pipe and gravel, and then the product FlowGuard at the wall floor joint. One thing that we're doing that's very unique to this project is they're having mud come in from behind this block wall.
And lots of it. As you can see, they put this channel here, and this is completely full
of sand. We have to stop that sand from coming in, because if that sand comes in when I have my waterproofing system in here, it's going to plug up the waterproofing system, rendering it useless. So in order to fix that, we're going to inject structural grade spray foam called polylevel behind this wall and fill all the nooks and crannies in the rock itself, not allowing the mud and silt to come in